Alright.
Let's do this.
Bro, there's a cross. That means nothing bad can happen.
Yeah, that's right. That's how it works.
That is. The crucifix. I think that's what they're called. They stop ghosts from being bad, I think. I don't know. I ain't no ghost hunter.
No. Drinking, getting drunk.
Yes, sir. Getting slumped.
Alrighty, Buster. We better mosey on back to the
Which
ship.
one am I?
I want to be Joe. Do you know Joe?
Whoa.
No.
Stop.
Joe Mama?
Boy, if you
I said no.
Charlie Charming's got a little business to attend to.
你能搏斗吗，勇士？
Can I fight?
Hey,
Nope.
give me a quarter.
Why?
Gonna find out my future.
Heck yeah, I can fight.
Oh, I think I'm Joe.
I want to be Joe.
I'm Joe.
Aw, I'm Charlie.
Talking to the fortune teller.
Ah! Undercoat. Uh-oh.
Tell me about
Thinks he's
myself.
putting it on hard. Oh.
Alright, so
Bro, my reaction's so slow. Oh.
dragon or bamboo? We're going with bamboo because bamboo's cool.
Ah. Oh man. Oh.
A fish?
Guess I'm kind of a karate master, huh? No big deal.
为什么我在这个白痴上浪费时间？
Sure. Tell your friends about me, huh?
I didn't get to finish my fortune.
Spread some of that good fortune around.
Sorry, I'm too good.
But I gotta try out Mr. Punch 'em up. You got another quarter on you?
What do I look like? A bank? Okay, old timer. What do I got coming my way?
Did you mess up at all?
Nope.
Turn on my aimbot.
You think old Joe will ever make good on that 50 cents I just invested in him?
Oh!
What? I don't know what these mean.
What do you mean?
看这张牌，告诉我，你看到了什么？
What do I see in this tile? I don't know. What do I see in this tile?
Well, that is a flower of some sort.
Ooh, I almost missed that one.
It's definitely a flower.
Ah, I did it.
你的财富深深的植根在。
Hey!
We better get back to the ship. We don't want to be
Payback.
stranded.
Come on, man. Just let me ask another question.
We really need to get back.
Okay, fine. Whatever you say, boss.
Pull 'em in two! Cargo hold two!
There's no way that guy hurt him. That guy was in a crane. There's not a chance.
Ooh, a skull on that? Not liking that.
No, sir. There's 3.
Yeah, we're drunk.
We are drunk.
Hey, man. Hey, where's my 50 cents?
50 cents? What 50 cents?
Come on, man.
Hey, buzz off, buddy.
Nobody pushes me around.
Ah,
Oh!
dang.
He knocked me out.
In my medical opinion, these men appear to be drunk off their rear ends. Get this one to the medical ward. Throw the other in the brig. And keep him there.
It's not very nice. Whoa. Oh no.
What's that?
Gases, dog. They're all gonna turn into zombies.
Yeah, that can't be good.
Oh, I do not like these camera angles.
Hello?
Neither.
Anyone there?
Was that my son? Two pops, come back soon.
What did the buffalo say to his son when he left?
Huh?
What did the buffalo say to his son when he left?
I don't know.
Bye, son.
Oh,
Get it?
I'm not right now, Evan. I just found a dead body.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. I'm currently reading paper that I'm not reading. I'm just investigating it. Probably should read it though.
I found the key.
Found a safe. Should I be reading this stuff?
I don't know. I don't know if it's too important.
I don't think I can read, so let's look at this.
Is that everything in this room? Alright. Can I get out of here? Oh, that was the key to the lock on the door.
Oh, I think this is why I'm in here. I think that's what the paper was for.
I don't like walking in these hallways by myself. This is kind of creepy. Bishop, where are you?
Oh,
There you are.
oh, he scared me. I just picked up a paper and
I was tired of being by myself. It's scary.
What the hell's going on up there? Heard aircraft and gunfire.
And there was a corpse
What?
in the sick bay.
Something's wrong. Let's get out of here.
how do they know somewhere's wrong?
You want to lead the way?
No.
Come on, just.
No.
Fine.
Oldest first. Is it okay? Oh!
Let me jump. Oh, don't mess this up.
I don't know what to do. What do I do?
Hit X whenever the heartbeat comes up. On those things.
Oh, this is easy. Oh, I messed up.
Oh, I almost missed him. He's got a gun!
Hey, you. Hey. Hey, over here.
Getting faster. Success.
Wait, so I thought we were friends with them. Well, why is he shooting? Wait, who? Am I in front?
Onwards.
Oh, I'm not in front.
What the hell?
Oh, what the
What? You good?
heck? There was a kid. Did you not see the kid?
No. Oh, there's a little white button down there. Oh, there's a little white button down here.
Oh, God. I shouldn't be playing this late. I'm not going to be able to sleep.
You know that you need
Alright.
this white button right there. You got it. I'm not helping you.
Hey, Charlie.
Looks like you are.
I guess I am helping you.
Oh, I might not get it. Oh, I got it.
Oh, I got it for a second. Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
Fuck no.
Howdy.
You said it. Fubar and then some.
Excuse me. Just let me squeeze by real quick.
Coming through.
Oh, which way? Oh, I'm just following you. Goodness, how you
Oh,
walking so
dead body.
fast?
Another body.
Hold the L1.
Is.
Oh. Just,
Oh,
you wanna go down there?
Buckley.
Ah, Buckley.
Last time I saw him in the mess hall, he was fit as a fiddle. Poor
It's fit as a fiddle. Look at his eyes.
They're all white.
In here.
I just need you to go first.
No, I don't want to
No,
go
no, 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 no.
I don't want to go first. Where are you?
Oh, I'm behind
Why-
you. I'm just coming down the stairs.
Okay. Why am I down here by myself?
I can't see anything.
Oh, now it tells you to L1 to go faster.
Oh, L1. I was holding L2. It says hold 3,
told-
not L.
So, is it just me, or are you getting a real strange feeling right now?
Do I look like a guy who likes to talk about his feelings?
You look like a mess on wheels, Chuck.
I ain't the only one.
Great. Good company.
Oh, Jesus!
Chuck, see that kid over there?
I'm about to turn my lights on. I can't handle this. Oh God, I literally lifted my feet up from under my desk because I'm scared. Oh, I got a gun.
I have a knife.
Oh, I don't look too good at all.
You also got knocked out.
True. And I'm seeing things. There's a freaking kid again. You're lucky you weren't seeing these kids. This kid, he scared the crap out of me.
Are they making noises?
He's just like running. I am here. I'm laughing.
Oh no. Oh no. No.
You're dead.
No, you're dead.
No, you're dead.
Oh no.
Oh, the freaky kid. The kid's hiding in the locker. Should I shoot the locker? I didn't do
No, you probably shouldn't. Sounds like a bad idea.
Who's ready for an ass whooping? Ass whooping, ass whooping. Who's ready for an ass whooping?
Oh boy. Oh boy. What the heck just happened? What?
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 Did I just suffocate? What happened?
What? There's just this guy standing outside the locker, just chilling there.
Mayday! Mayday! Is anyone there? Hello? Can anyone out there hear me? Oh, come on! Come on, damn it!
He's screwed.
What the hell is that?
Oh
What is that?
no. Ew.
That thing's got 4 arms.
Ew. Yeah, there's a crucifix.
That's gonna help.
I am a child of God. Please don't hurt me.
What?
He's dead now.
Why did he just jump?
Yeah, he should have looked first. I'm so confused,
Me
dude.
down.
look.
Down, down, don't bring
Can we do
me
any others?
down. Yes, I can. Don't bring me down. But I'm feeling this one. Clown, clown, don't bring me down. Don't bring me down, down. Clown, don't bring me